That rainy, this is an E chord. We're starting with Neil Young style. 2, 3, 4. A minor with a So we'll play it all again. We got E, second string melody, now G7, 3 notes, then we reach up, and then this is a form of C major 7, F major 7. Now we got F sharp minor, and then B7, 3 melody notes, E major 7. And we just left out the approach chords, but if you want them, just like last week, B minor, E7. Now, A minor, and then this is a form of D7, G major 7, C major 7, F sharp minor, B7, a form, and we can play these 2 chords, F sharp minor and B7, to get back into it, so we don't have to go way up here to get back in. Hopefully that helps you out, Bob, and we'll finish the song next week. Take it easy.